select all, press A, X, delete, and Shift A. We need a circle, and open up this tab and put the 10 vertices here. And let's go to top view, press 7, and go to edit mode and select this part and F to fill, and select this part again, F to fill, select, fill. And then next thing, just select these vertices and E to extrude to the x-axis. And one more time, extrude to x-axis and scale it down. And scale it up a bit. And this one also scale it. And move it to the x-axis. Somewhere here. And scale it down a bit. And for this, scale it up. Okay, now we got the base shape, and select all by pressing A and E to extrude to the along the z-axis. Okay, this is good enough. Just turn off this X-ray mode so we can see the other side, and press 1 and select this part. I want to move it down a bit. Something like that, and this part also, move it down a bit, and select these 3 and move them also down a bit, and select this, move it up like this. Now, and I want to give a one look cut here. Just select this H select mode and Ctrl R to give it a look cut here. Okay, now go to object mode, turn off the X-ray mode. Okay, this looks nice. Let's give it a bevel modifier for this. Go to here, select it. Let's give it 3 amount 2, 3 also. Yeah, that looks nice. And next thing, let's create a handle. Shift A, mesh, circle, and go to edit mode, E to extrude to the z-axis. Oops. Okay, just select them all, move it down, scale it down, and X to z-axis, scale it up. Something like that. Move it down a bit. Something. Scale it down. Move it up. Move it down. That looks nice. So, okay, we have to select this part and Shift Alt, select this part and press F to fill. And next thing, I wanted to just give it a look cut here. And select this part, and I'm gonna bevel it. Ctrl B to bevel it. Something like this. Okay, this looks nice. And let's give another look at here, and one more here, and let's get it down a bit and move it up. Scale it, and let's give another look at here, just to give this look. And let's bevel this part also, select them, Ctrl B to bevel it. Yeah, that looks nice. And let's give it another bevel modifier. Let's give it 3 and also 3. Okay, now we have got our X base shape. Let's move it up. And let's give them scale, apply scale, scale. Okay, now that looks nice. And next thing we have to do is we have to UV unwrap them. Go to UV editing and select them all. U and Smart UV project. Just select Smart UV project and Let's put the island margin to 30. Now that looks nice. And for this also, let's give it, select them all, press U, Smart UV project, and press OK. Alright. And now the next thing we have to do is texture painting. Go to texture painting, and for that let's give it new material. Just select here, plus base color. Let's increase the resolution to the 2K. Just press here, multiply to 2. Okay, now just press OK. Now you can see we can draw. And now I'm going to switch to my tablet, so it's better use a drawing tablet for your drawing, texture painting, so it will be easier. So for now, let's go to edit mode, and I want to select these parts. Let's select all, and I am going to unselect these parts. Okay. Okay, we don't need this part, only I need this part. Okay, now go to texture paint mode and select this paint mask, so we can only paint on this area. So there is a fill tool. You can just select this fill tool and give it a nice, I'm gonna go for something like darker blue color, and open a color palette. Let's plus it, and let's press plus to give it new color, and let's give them. Okay, now we have got the blue color. I think it's a little bit darker. Let's make it a little bit lighter, and plus. Okay, I think that's okay. Now let's choose the lighter one, lighter color, something like that, and give plus. So, and the even darker one, and hit plus. And the next thing, I want to just select this and select drawing, and let's reduce the radius. Okay, now one thing, now I wanna just draw from this side. Okay, just give it some look. Okay, that looks nice. Just give it here, here, here. Just move it here. Select this. Just use your creativity. Okay, at first drawing might be difficult, but over time, if you practice more, you will get used to it. Actually, it's really fun to draw. Yeah, I really like the drawing style. Now let's go to edit mode and select Ctrl I. Just press Ctrl I and go to paint mode and select this. Now let's give it a little bit grayish color. Just select this and press. And let's go object and select this one. I think that is, and now let's go to texture paint mode. Let's give it another base color for this. Press OK, and now select this fill and let's give it nice wooden texture here. Now that's ready. Okay, let's go there and let's go to view. How do you go viewport shading? As you can see, it looks really nice. And now select them all. Ctrl P to transform. Press 1. And now next thing we're gonna do is let's go to camera, top view, G to y-axis, move it to y-axis and press 0 and press N, go to view and so check this camera to view and press N. So we are here and let's rotate it to this degree and let's go to viewport shading. Let's give it some lighting. Go there, lighting, area light, G, move it up, S to scale with the 1200. That's okay. Just move it up a bit and go to top view, Shift D to duplicate, Shift D to duplicate and move the point to our object, something like this. Up, down, go to top view, let's duplicate one more time. This time let's give it point light and move it down, and let's give it a background also. Shift A, plane, rotate x-axis 90 degree, G, move it to y-axis and scale it to this bigger and go to camera view. Let's change the camera settings also. Go here and 1200 to 1200 and quit here. Let's give background color here. Let's give some lighter, some blue color, saying that. Let's and also select this and let's give metallic and move it down, and let's give them bevel modifier, subdivision modifier 2, and now the shade smooth to this also can tell 2, and the shade smooth. And now, nope, I think I'm gonna give another color, something like that, or we don't need it. As you can see, we have got this beautiful X modeling. Now our model is ready. As you can see, it's really beautiful. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.